Our oil-water nanofilter can work in any process that requires oil-water separation. One common use is in wastewater processing. Lots of oil, fat and grease in wastewater from houses, restaurants, and industry needs to be cleaned before the water can be reused. This uses a complicated process with many layers. By using our filter, the whole process can be simplified. In shale oil production, a byproduct is oily water. This takes huge resources to process, but could be done simply with a filter. The OZ SEPA nanofilter technology can be used to make these processes more environmentally friendly for a cleaner world. Our filter can also be applied to industrial processes such as water desalination or in palm oil production. Moreover, nearly every machine in every factory will use some sort of lubrication oil. This also has to be separated, and using our filter, it can be done much easier and cheaper. When applied to other water filtration processes, the OZ SEPA nanofilter can be used to filter out grease before water enters the reverse osmosis filters, protecting them and extending their lifetime.